Vlog TV.
Galing pa ng trabaho. Meron pong mga pasok, tama po? For being here. This is such a historic event, not only for me, of course, not only for my family and the whole team, but for the whole Philippines. We finally got our crown! Isang papanawat naman dyan. Papanawat!
Everybody loves you and they also love Mr. Nawat.
Hi, mabuhay! Nice to meet you all today. You got the golden cow. Finally, you got all the Grand Slam Beauty Pageant winner. Congratulations for you. And I'm waiting for back-to-back very soon. For your support and enjoy your moment with newly the Golden Crown DJ Opiesa. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. And again, we're going to hear from Arnold Villapria.
Good afternoon to everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo rito. Thank you so much for all your support sa ALB Pageant Circle. We got 5 crowns and the last one is Miss Grand International from CJ Opiesa. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in a while. We'll start time.
Okay, iikot na yung parade. So sana you can join and continue to support CJ all the way around. No?
Vlog TV.
Margaret!
Okay, pagbaba ni CJ po, Kuya Jolimer, pa-forward lang po Salamat po. Everyone, pag hindi kayo nag-operate, wala tayong group picture. Sige na, atras na tayo konti. Pero ingat lang po.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pag-stay and pagsama po sa amin. Alam ko, maulan, humito yung ulan. And sana po pagpatuloy na suportahan niyo po ako hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa end ng aking reign. And after that, guys, we will be having our new candidate for the Philippines. We'll be representing again in the international stage. So I hope
Noli Vlog
you
TV.
not only support me, but also support the candidates of Miss Grand Philippines. I will also take this opportunity to invite you guys for the coronation night that's gonna be on July 16 sa MOA Arena po. Sana makapunta rin kayo and supportahan silang lahat. But then again, also support the candidates from all around the world. Miss Grand International is the